Are you still scrolling and finding the right course for your business analyst career? Believe me, I heard you all. I'm here to guide you on the top 5 courses which has been available across the internet that will help you in excelling the role of a business analyst. Whether you are getting started in a business analyst role, you are transitioning into a business analyst role, or you are already working as a business analyst and looking forward for upskilling your career. In all your problems, these are the top 5 courses you need to refer to excel in this role. Hi everyone, I'm Komal Agarwal, your business analyst coach. I'm here to guide and mentor you. So if you are looking forward to excel in a role of a business analyst, this is the only platform you need to follow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay connected with me for more videos. The very first platform you need to focus is check out the website www.thekomalagarwal.com. I'm adding the link in the caption also so that you can check it. This would be a one-stop solution for your business analyst needs, where I am continuously releasing multiple videos, multiple courses that will help you in guiding about different areas and parameters of a business analyst. Whether you are looking forward to upskilling on any specific topic, you are looking for an interview guide, you are looking forward to get started as a business analyst, the website will have all the courses that will address your needs. So don't forget to check out, and also don't forget to share your views and opinions with me if you are looking forward for me to create courses on any specific topic. Second course you can enroll is Google Project Management course available on Coursera. This is a course which has been available on Coursera and it's provided by Google. It is a great course to help you in understanding about project management, help you understanding about different phases of project management, what happens in different phases of project management. You may not directly link to the business analyst concepts and business analyst roles and responsibilities, but you will get an overall idea about what project management is, what are the different steps which has been involved, what are the activities that happen in different phases of project management. So this is a good course to enroll and proceed further. Third course which has been available is Become a Product Manager. This course is available on LinkedIn Learning, Udemy and many other platforms. This course is a very comprehensive and a very great course which provides you the understanding about the concept about a product manager. Probably what is a product manager is, what are the different types of product manager, what are the different areas of a product that they have been involved in. So all of those areas this course basically covers in. When you are targeting about a business analyst role, probably there are certain areas, parameters which you may not need to understand, but still this course offers, so it's worth investing into it. Yes, this course doesn't dwell down into deeper details about the topics, but it will still give you a sufficient information that would help you in understanding the topics effectively. So if you are looking for one course to get all of the ideas and guidance, then you can also go forward for this course. Fourth course, Business Analyst Fundamental. This course is available on Udemy. It is being provided by Jeremy, the BA guide. So this course is a great course for understanding the business analyst requirement section. So probably the requirement gathering part, elicitation part is being covered in a lot of detail. So it has been covered with all the areas, what has been done, how they are being done. So that concept is very well captured in this course. But the other areas of a business analyst like different techniques, frameworks, Scrum, that's been missing in this course. So still, this is a great course for you to build your understanding about certain topics, certain phases of the product. Fifth course, Getting Started as a Business Analyst. This course is available on LinkedIn Learning. So if you're looking for multiple courses to get started as a business analyst, then you can also enroll in this course. There are a couple of strengths and weakness of this course. What I really liked about this course is it covers on the business analyst fundamentals, concepts, and agile part. It also helps you in understanding all user stories, epics, on all of those areas. But the areas where this course really lacks or which are not covered in this course is basically primarily information about Scrum, what are different Scrum ceremonies, how they have been used in the practical environment, knowledge about different prioritization techniques, root cause analysis techniques, or any other framework which has been utilized by a business analyst, what are the common documentation that have been done by the business analyst, their knowledge about the UAT cycles. Those areas and knowledge has been missing in this course, but still this course would give you a good idea about a business analyst. So here I have talked about the top 5 resources where you can go and refer for your business analyst career. Every course have certain strength and certain things which has been missing. You will never find a course which fits on all your needs and will give you everything that you needed. So choose wherever you would like to go ahead and which area you primarily need to focus more on so that you can get understanding about that role and can build your understanding. But in all of these cases, don't forget to check out the komalagarwal.com, which would be your one-stop solution for your business analyst guidance. So if you really like my video, don't forget to like, save and share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.